Hello, everyone. This is the Preacher Man. I am here with my son, Jaden, a.k.a. J Boogie.
What's good, y'all?
And my beautiful, lovely wife.
Hello. Hi.
Why you say it like that?
As you can see, she is using a laptop that I decided to give her. That was my original Alienware.
Yo.
And now it belongs to her.
Not for games, though. Not for games. For my music.
But it's all good because right here is the daughter that I never had. My newborn baby. Inside of this bad boy is the Acer Nitro 5. 1 terabyte of solid state drive. This is an unboxing, by the way.
Yes.
And 16 gigs of RAM. RTX. You have the G.
RTX 3060.
Yeah, RTX 3050 Ti.
3060 Ti.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah, 3050.
3050.
Yeah, 3050 Ti.
3050 Ti,
Mm.
which blows away your card.
Are you hype?
It blows away your Legion.
Are you hype?
Jaden has the Lenovo Legion 5, which is it's all good.
No, 7.
7?
Do I have the 7?
No, Lenovo Legion 5.
Oh,
And you
okay.
was just showing me Call of Duty, which looks really nice. All right, here's the packaging.
Yup.
Got a lot of stuff here. Oh, this must be the power brick. Here. Put that to the side.
The power brick.
Yeah, that's to power up the computer, to plug it in.
It's a big ass brick. What's that ass? Oh, it's a box. Okay, I thought it was the whole thing. Like,
yeah, nah.
it looked like the whole box.
Yeah,
The way you
nah, it
said
did. It did.
Yeah, your power brick looks the same. All computer apps.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, true.
Even
I have the same one.
Yeah. So, let's see. I'm trying not to make a mess. Okay. Let's see
I used to love playing with those little things on top of it.
You and Isaiah.
All right.
Oh, that's skinny.
Why don't you move the box? Though?
Wait. Did you buy another fan?
What do you mean another thing?
Oh, no. Never mind.
I'm not gonna use mine as
Oh,
much
yeah.
as that. So.
True.
Plus, I'm gonna use.
Plus, you
for,
don't like the
my
height that
music
much.
and-
I said, plus you don't like the height that much.
No.
You just like it regular.
Hey, you're making a mess on the floor,
I
partner.
know. Oh, it comes with a nice bag.
Mm-hmm. Cheddar's nose is going crazy right now.
Yeah, you can record Cheddar. You can record the puppies. You could include them
Cheddar.
in this unboxing video.
Hi, Cheddar.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
No those stress.
Oh, snap. Ooh, I like the little, red shine on the bottom.
Yeah, that's the back of it.
Mm-hmm.
They got on the side USB-C port. You got your standard USB 2 port, I believe, HDMI port. And the back is where you plug this bad boy in. And then over here you have your Ethernet port and then 2 more additional USB ports. And you have a headphone jack. And these are the vents.
Got
Over
you.
here and in the back.
Okay.
I've seen plenty of video reviews and I heard that I can just basically lift up the display by doing it like this. Ooh, nice. It's a 17-inch screen.
You got the red
You
keys.
got the red keys, which originally, when I first was looking into this laptop, I thought it had the RGB keys, but it's all good. The red keys is something I need to get used to.
Yep.
You know. But yeah, here it is. Oh, it's light.
Yeah, I had a feeling it looks so skinny.
Ooh, I like the screen.
It looks exactly like Isaiah's.
It does?
Hmm.
Okay.
You just have like a upgraded version of what he has.
Oh, okay. I'm just testing out the keys. Some people were saying the keys are not that good. The keys are good.
Nah, it's just people that freaking study keys on laptops. They like see which one they like the most.
One guy in his video review, he was saying that every time you press the middle, it bubbled up. It came up. Look at that. I'm pressing it and nope.
You got a good version.
Oh yeah. He probably got a lemon. So, all right, that's basically it. This is the unboxing of the
I see you, old
Acer
man.
Nitro 5. Now I got the best laptop. My laptop is much better than
I
yours.
I will soon have the best laptop in the house again.
It's better than yours.
I
it's
used
better
to be
than
the one with the
Isaiah's.
best laptop in the house, but
now I'm king. You know.
for now,
I'm the king of the castle.
you took the throne, but it's okay.
All right, y'all. Preacher man out. God bless. Peace.
Peace.